What's up, traders? This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm back again. So now I'll be analyzing Nasdaq. So what's happening with Nasdaq? As you can check here, we were in a downtrend. All the time a downtrend is a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So if the previous lower high is broken, meaning that we will be focusing on the new trend. As you can check, we were in a downtrend, and then the overall direction we are still in a downtrend if you can check on the higher time frame. So there is a trend inside the trend. So the scenario, what's happening is inside the trend is because of what? So the impulse and correction inside this trend is confirming that the market have to reverse from this zone until to this zone. So what's going to happen? How are we going to trade? So on how are we going to trade, as you all know that BullvsBear, we are trading impulse and correction. Every time after the impulse move, then correction have to occur so that we can have the last push of the correction. Okay, so that we can have the last push of the correction. So in this scenario, the impulse went well, but it was impulse and correction inside this higher time frame impulse. But when you go to 4 hour, you can see this is an impulse. All moves is an impulse. It's a one move, which is the impulsive phase. So now we are expecting the market to take a break again and then start to correct after breaking out of this zone, and then correct to this zone so that we can take more buying opportunity or buying strength. Then you all know that after correction it's an impulse. So every time once the correction is facing down, it's a bullish continuation correction. So once the correction is facing down, it's a bullish continuation correction. We are waiting for the market to break this current resistance. Then we will buy again after the market gave us a correction. Okay, as you can check, this is an area of confluence where the market always bounce from this zone, and then it's acting as a previous resistance because it was broken and retested. Okay, it was broken and retested, guys. So now we'll check how the market will behave after breaking this zone. So let me go again on another indices this week. I saw US30 is starting to give us a nice setup, but I'm waiting for the market to break that resistance or to retest or break that correction towards the resistance. So as you can check, let me start here on the higher time frame. As you can check here, we are in a series of lower highs and no, we're in a series of high and high lows, high highs and high lows. So now the market started to give us bearish reversal on the resistance. As we all know, the correction towards the resistance or correction towards the support, it's a confirmation that the market have to reverse from the resistance, meaning that this is a bearish reversal pattern. This one is a bullish continuation pattern because of it's a continuation because of it's in the middle of the trend. So I anticipate that US30 have to reverse to come and touch our support and come and touch our horizontal support. So on this scenario, if I can make another example again, you can come to this market and check here. We had something similar as opposite because we have a correction towards the support, then the market had to reverse and then went to the resistance. So now on this scenario, we'll be waiting for any breakout, and the market will give us impulse going down, and then it might give us correction. We don't know. So it might correct on this level because it's an area of confluence, then touches our supporting trend line. So let me go further on the lower time frame and check what's happening. Even if you can check here, guys, that you can see that this market is losing momentum as this star is a evening star, and then is a confirmation that the market will no longer go further up. Okay, meaning that as I'm took today, I'm correct, and as I'm always correct, impulse and correction is the only strategy working, guys. It's the only strategy. This is a correction on the resistance. It's a confirmation that the market will come and break with impulse, then start to correct and then give us impulse going down. If you want to master this strategy, guys, don't hesitate to contact me, WhatsApp me, then I'll give you some lessons for this strategy. so that you can capitalize every time once you understand it. This is the easiest strategy I ever had in my life. This is the easiest strategy. Let me just give you GBP JPY this week. What's going to happen with GBP JPY this week? On GBP JPY, we are still waiting for this current support to be broken. I'm extending it. I'm still waiting for it to be broken. But nonetheless, then I'm happy because of the market came to this area of confluence where this zone is an important one that I was watching. So I was watching what's going to happen once the market reaches this level. But as I can see that the market will reverse from this zone, so I'll be happy that the market can break the current support. Once the market break this current support, I will know that I will have impulse going down because of I will also cater this level again. I'll also cater for this level. Meaning that I'm focusing on the higher time frame correction continuation, meaning that I will have impulse, massive impulse to complete the structure. Sorry for that. I will have impulse going down to complete the structure. It can be impulse trade or it can be impulse with some correction along the way, but as a continuation correction to complete the structure. Let's look on another currency pair that I'm looking at this week is GBP AUD, guys. This week I'm looking at GBP AUD. Let's check what's happening on GBP AUD before I go to gold and check what's happening on gold. So as it's Monday today, I wanted this market to give us reversal, but I can see that it broken this level that I was looking at last week. So meaning that I will be focusing on this small downtrend. I'll be focusing on this small downtrend, deleting all the points that I thought the market would reverse because of the reversal point. Because all we know that once the market correct towards the support, it's a reversal sign. But here, as you can check, the market wanted to test this level. So now we'll be waiting for the market to break this current resistance and then this current resistance, then we'll start to buy from here. Then the market will come, go further with impulse, then correction, then impulse to complete the structure. Okay. Then let's look at on another currency pair this week. Let me just go and give you all my analysis for the weekly. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that we can grow. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family that we are providing a more financial advices, financial everything for free. As you can check here, we had NZD, USD. We were in an overall direction of an uptrend. Though inside that uptrend, we had something like a counter trend because of the higher low, the points. Once the market reverses from the support, then always goes to the resistance. So the scenario for now, or what are we going to expect from this zone? We can expect the market to break this current correction, then give us impulse, then correction towards it, then impulse again. But we are focusing on the to complete on the higher time frame structure. We don't focus on the inner counter trend market. We are focusing on the higher time frame. Another again, if you can check here, we have something like a nice pattern here, guys. Nice pattern. We call it alloyed wave. So meaning that the market have to still come to here and break that zone. Okay. So watch out for this, and then it's either you wait for retest, but normally once we trade impulse and correction, we don't wait for the retest things. We don't do that here, guys. We wait for impulse and correction. We don't do the retest things because the retest things doesn't work with our strategy because we are always accurate. We are catching the impulsive phase. So on the last one for today, guys, is gold. Let me go and look on gold as I check that I had an head and shoulder or something like that on the lower time frame. So meaning that we'll be selling gold, guys. We'll be selling gold. So prepare for more selling opportunities as I can. Let me just loan this and then I'll know that I'm not going to make mistakes because of this level. On the other analysis is being catered for. So let me go to 1 hour time frame and show you what I saw on gold. On gold, as you can check on the 1 hour time frame, we had something like a hidden shoulder. So we're waiting for gold to come and break this level. Then once this level is broken, it will be confirmed the hidden shoulder so that we can go to the downside of the structure, so that you can go and complete the market on the downside of the structure. Okay, guys, thank you for following us. Thank you for your time. This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm signing out. If you want more signal, guys, don't forget that on the 11th of June, we have a seminar at Santin 150 TBE Rivonia Road. Catch me there. If you want me there, then you will find me there. Then make sure you fund the account. Text me if you want more information about the event. This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm signing out.